What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Marco Kaliz, and as you guys can see, I just got a new haircut for this spring and summer. And what I'm going to show you guys today is how to achieve this look. So the hairstyle that I went for this spring, and hopefully I can carry it over to the summer season of this year, is what's called a fringe. It can also double as a faux hawk, but I definitely went for this more texturized, forward straight haircut. And the reason why I went for something like this is because it's getting a lot warmer here in the Bay Area, and I just wanted something that's a little more low maintenance, something that's easier to take care of, and something that can still be versatile depending on the situation. I can make it super messy, or I can have it super clean cut if I'm like going to like a whatever special occasion. So a little bit about the fringe or the faux hawk hairstyle. It's definitely a hairstyle that's been gaining popularity ever since last year. You see like a lot of guys, they first went for the undercut, and from the undercut they went and they explored the lengths of their hair. Now a lot of guys are going back to that short style. What I love the most about this hairstyle is the versatility that it has in between different hair types. So for me, I have more of like a straight to wavy hairstyle. It's also very thick, so it works very well with my hair, but there's also people out there that have like kinky hair or thin and super wavy or curly hair. The fringe and the faux hawk style of hair honestly goes very well with them and complements the person who decides to do it. So with today's video, I hope you guys will want to get out of your comfort zone and try this hairstyle out. So without further ado, let's begin. When styling my hair, I first like to start with towel dried damp hair. Personally for me, when it comes to fixing my hair in the morning, I hate not only the feeling of it, but also the way my hair is when it's dry. So that's why I always like to wash my hair first and dampen it with the towel, because I feel like the product just goes on a lot easier that way. For this style, I will also be using a blow dryer, but before I do, I will first apply a good amount of Moroccan hair oil. There are a lot of benefits to the Moroccan hair oil. The first benefit is it is a heat protectant. So spraying this on before you blow dry your hair will not only protect the hair follicles that you'll have, and it'll make it a lot stronger, but it'll also protect it from the environment outside. So the sun, other environmental toxins like smog, all the other stuff that you have out there. It also nourishes your hair. There's a lot of plant and oil extracts in the product that really just helps, again, to strengthen your hair. It helps it make it a lot softer. After applying Moroccan oil to my hair, I will go ahead and blow dry my hair forward, just so my hair is trained to go the way that I need it to go. And while I'm blow drying, I will be using a circular brush. So when I brush it forward, again, it'll be trained to go forward, and I can also brush it back to get a lot of volume. What you can also do to get a lot of that texturized look is you can use the circular brush to curl the hair and blow dry it up so it gets a lot of that texturized volume. Now that I'm done blow drying my hair, I will go ahead and apply the matte hair clay product. Today I will be using the Change It Up texturizing hair clay by House99 to give me that texturized look with the fringe hairstyle. For all of you guys that don't know what House99 is, it is a men's grooming brand started by the one and only David Beckham. Yes, you guys heard it right. David Beckham made his own hairstyling and grooming brand. There are a lot of benefits that comes with using the Change It Up hair texturizing clay. It emulsifies super easily in between your hands. What I mean by emulsifying is that when you rub your hands together with the product in between, it's going to activate the chemicals, and it's going to go from a obvious white to a very translucent film on your hands, and because of that, it will bond easier with your hair follicles, and it'll give you a lot of a greater effect for your hairstyle. It's easy to wash off. A lot of products out there, it's easy to put on, but there's a lot of residue that's left on your hands, and no one likes feeling that extra residue after you put the product on your hair. It is resistant to humidity, air, and sweat. When it comes to a lot of products, you guys should already know that throughout the day your hair is going to deflate, and that is not because the product is defective, but it's because of the natural elements of where you live and your body. The humidity will just loosen up that hole, the air will just move it all around, and even your own sweat will wash off a lot of that product. Now that I have applied the product into my hair thoroughly, it's time to give it its finishing touches. Go ahead and run your hands back and forth between your hair, ruffle it up a little bit, and then go ahead and just take your fingers and twist parts of your hair to the desired textured and voluminous look. And that's it. Here is a 360 view of the finished fringe textured hairstyle. That is it for today's video, guys. Before we head out, I just want to give a quick shout out once again to House99 for sending me the Change It Up Hair Texturizing Clay. Without you guys at House99, this video would not be possible, so thank you very much. Guys, if you want to get your own container of the hair texturizing clay from House99, I will once again put the link, my personal link, in the description below, so you guys can head to the Hairstyle landing page and you can grab yourself this beauty here. If you guys liked what you saw in today's video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and while you're at it, why not just go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can join the YouTube family. I love all the new people that come to this family and watch stuff I put out. I really appreciate you guys. And while you're at it, why not just hit the notification icon, ring that bell, so you can be one of the first people to know when I put something out for the next week. Well, okay guys, once again, my name is Marco Calise. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and as always, I will see you next week. Peace.